Hi everyone, welcome back to my doll collecting channel. This is Kristie with AG Takes Over, and today we're decorating my dollhouse for Christmas. Yes! If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to click that subscription button and tap the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Let's dive in. First things first, I need to get everything fall related out of here and clean things up. Don't ask me why the bagged salad was in the sink. Ask my toddler. Here we go. Clean slate. It's the most boring the dollhouse has ever looked. So we're starting with the Christmas tree, and I confess this is exactly the ornaments that were on it last year. All I did was take it down and put it in the basement for a year. I figured if it wasn't broke, don't fix it. I just realized that I made some gift bags out of wrapping paper last year. I watched some tutorial and did it, and I do know that I saved those because they took me a while to make, and I don't have them here, so I'm going to have to hunt around and add those. It doesn't look bad as it is. I'll just add the bags later. Here's the Our Generation fireplace. I love this. If you've watched any of my other decorating videos, you might have heard me complain that my only beef with this is when you push that flame button, it lasts for about 2.5 seconds. The Christmas tree is on a button too, and you can see that it's still lit up, so it lasts much longer. The stocking on the right is American Girl, and the one on the left is from the Doll Nook on Etsy. I do know those candles came with the chimneys, the fireplace set. I'm not going to remember where everything is from. I'll just happen to mention them. I do know these pillows are from Target from last year, but they have some different ones out this year. I think that was an ornament, and we just cut the string off of it. I have shown before, this is a picture frame, like a 3-dimensional picture frame I got from Joann Fabrics, and you can change out and put different kinds of cloth or different kinds of paper in there to match your decor. So I've got some snowflake paper in there right now, some ginormous cookies. This is one of the pillows that is available from Target this year in their Christmas ornament section. There we go. That's the, I would call it the living room portion of things. It's a big open floor plan if you've seen my dollhouse before. Now we'll move kind of toward the middle of things. This is new. These picture frames were available in the Target Bullseye section a while back, and we missed our chance to get them. So we got them at a fortunately not too inflated price off of eBay recently. And we just printed out some winter scenes so that it looks like they're windows. And we'll be able to change those out with the seasons as well. These little crates I stained. I think we got them from either Michael's or Joann Fabric, but I use them almost year round. I just change what's in them and where they are in the dollhouse. Some Target Bullseye section decorations here. Not this Christmas tree. I think it's an ornament, but I don't remember where we got it. A little winter llama, because why not? Llama everything these days. Oh, don't mind me knocking over the door. By the way, that door is all foam core and my wife made it and it's amazing. I like to have at least one pair of boots or shoes by the door. It just feels a little more realistic to me. Switching out the apron. Oh, trying to hang up the apron. And switching out the cutting board for one that's more festive. Oh, and I did forget to show this before. Fellow AG tuber Michelle's House of Miniatures posted a really nice video recently. It was a DIY about how to make this Christmas card holder and cards for your dolls. So I will link her video in the description as well as the link to the actual printables. But yeah, it turned out really well. It was super fun to make, and it just happened to have fallen down when I was filming and I forgot to hang it up. So here it is. I'm just going to put a couple things on the table for now. We are going to come back and do the table at the very end because I have a lot of miniature Christmassy foods to go through, and I'm not sure which ones I want to use just yet. All right, so we're going to move on to the kitchen. I love how mobile this kitchen is, that it's kind of broken up into a couple pieces because we do move it around a few times throughout the year just to mix things up. Some Target pieces here. Here's another one of those windows. I'm so glad we were able to get these. I think the Dollar Tree also had some, and we have looked at, I don't know, 456 Dollar Trees and never lucked out. So one of my favorite Target finds this year, this magnetic countdown. This little tin, if you watched my recent kind of random Christmas themed haul from Target and other stores, that was Jim Holt Ideology from Joanne Fabric. And I think it's on sale. If it's still available, it's on sale online right now. Anyway, more Target stuff, more things I can't remember their origins for. Cute, cute. All right, so back to the foods. I'm definitely going to use this. I don't remember if this is Welly Wisher or American Girl. The scale certainly wouldn't be any indicator because the scale for AG stuff is laughably inconsistent. This I do know is made from Becky Courier-Hoffman. She makes amazing miniature foods. As far as I know, she's still only selling through Facebook groups, but she is going to open up a proper store, and I will promote the crap out of it when she announces that because we buy from her frequently. I think these are from her as well. I'm not sure. We bought a lot of Christmas foods last year. I would say most of them were from Becky Courier-Hoffman, and then the rest of them were from the Doll Nook. And then a few things are American Girl, obviously. I'm going to try to capture the glitter on these, but they do have kind of sparkle. There we go. Well, it's out of focus, but anyway, they sparkle. They have glitter in their icing. And then we have the AG ones, which are ginormous, like for scale. I'm going to do a video one day just comparing or just like demonstrating the inconsistency across American Girl stuff in sizing, because the proportions are crazy. One day this will get in there we go. Cute little cake pop. These I know are from the Doll Nook. I will confess the paint does not hold up under scrutiny. They look fine from that distance. These are also, I believe, from the Doll Nook, and they look great, even up close. When they're in focus. I don't know who made this, but I've never had Yule log in my life. So if you have, please let me know in the comments what it tastes like. All right, some drinks. These are both American Girl. I think this is from Mary Ellen's set, but it's also available in the Christmas mystery bags right now, which is where we got it. Some cider, maybe, with some cinnamon and anise, however you care to pronounce it. Obviously homemade, some hot chocolate. This is one that we got in the mystery pack. It is Mary Ellen's. Oh my gosh, this green crystal. How I remember my mother collecting it piece by piece throughout my childhood. Little sparkle. There's a snowflake sprinkle on there. These are probably Becky Currier Hoffman. Not sure. These definitely are, and I think these are the ones I'm probably going to go with. They're so detailed. Anyway, there's the spread. So let's see what I picked. We do, by the way, have like proper Christmas dinner foods, but that's not what I wanted to put in here. It's snack time. It's not dinner time. There we go. Okay, so let's pan the whole house again. One of these days I'm going to decorate the downstairs dollhouse and give you a tour of that, but it hasn't happened yet. This is the dollhouse that's in the main doll room, so it's the one I see every day and the one that I tend to gravitate to. There it is. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you for my next video, and thank you so much for watching.